Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a dash cam showdown for you. Get ready to buckle up and join us as we compare the Bugio dash cam front and the Ovidisa dash camera. It's going to be a wild ride, so let's dive in. When it comes to capturing those road trip memories or providing evidence in case of an accident, video quality is crucial. Let's start by looking at the video quality of these two dash cams. Now let's move on to the additional features that these dash cams bring to the table. It's not just about video quality, folks. Alright folks, let's talk about the big bucks. Price can often be a deciding factor when choosing between two products. So let's see how these dash cams stack up in terms of price. Overall, the Bugio dash cam front offers outstanding video quality and versatile additional features at a budget-friendly price. On the other hand, the Ovidisa dash camera provides Ultra HD video quality and tech-savvy features at a higher price point. It ultimately comes down to your personal needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. Our comparison of the Bugio dash cam front and the Ovidisa dash camera. Both dash cams have their strengths, from video quality to additional features and even price. It all comes down to your personal needs and preferences. Remember, no matter which one you choose, having a dash cam is a smart move for any driver. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and buy smart.